Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to look at properties of addition and multiplication and combining like terms. This is lesson 10.3 in the homework and assessment, which was assigned for the week of April 13th through the 17th. So first, let's look at properties of addition and multiplication. Okay, so we look at them. Let's look at this one first, the commutative property. The commutative property, once again, means that you can add or multiply in any order and it doesn't change it. So if we have AB, we can change the order and make it BA, right? Just change the order. If it's additional, we could say A plus B, or we could say B plus A, all the same stuff. So commutative property means we can just change the order, okay? If we look up at associative property, it means we're going to change the associations. So here we have A plus B plus C. If we want to change the associations, we could say A plus B plus C. So now A and B are associated and C is left out in the cold without a friend. And I don't know what C did, but they don't have a friend anymore. Okay, so we could just change the associations like that and it doesn't change the problem. Okay, now distributive property, we could go into the whole, you can look at the whole definition if you want, but essentially what you're doing is you're distributing throughout parentheses. So here we're going to take this A, it's A times parentheses B plus C. And we're going to multiply A times everything in the parentheses, okay? So we're going to say A times B is AB plus A times C is AC. And that means that that is going to be equivalent to this. AB plus AC is the same as A times B plus C, okay? So those are the three properties. Now, we're going to look over at, boy, I'm getting all kinds of emails. Must be a work day. Okay, we're going to look at combining like terms. So, a term like 5x as it could have a variable, anything that doesn't have a variable, all are like terms. But a variable x, y, a, b, whatever. And now like terms, 5x and 3x are like terms because to be a like term, you have to have the same variable and the same exponent, right? So if we were to say 5x and 5x squared, those are not like terms because the variables are different, okay? But now, when we look at a problem, we're going to be combining like terms. So if we get something that says 2x plus 3 plus 4x plus 5. Okay? So we're going to look and say, well, the plus 3 and the plus 5, those have no variables. They're like terms. So 5 plus 3 is 8. And then we're going to look at 2x plus 4x. Oops. It's not 14x. Plus 4x. 2x and 4x, we're going to combine those like terms, and that's going to become, we add the numbers. 2 plus 4 is 6, so it'll become 6x plus 8. Okay, so the variable stays the same, and we're just going to be adding the numbers or subtracting the numbers. Okay, so if it was 5x minus 3x, in this case, we would subtract the numbers. 5 minus 3 is 2x. Okay? So hopefully this helps. I may have to do some more with like terms, but once you get it, it's not going to be too bad. Okay? So good luck, and we'll see you next time.